We are definitely going off trail. Hola, soy Santi.
Hi, I'm Angela.
Together we're realizing our dream of relocating to my homeland in the south of Spain.
Along with our Australian Shepherd Levi, we want to share our passion for the Mediterranean lifestyle, where the sun shines more than 320 days a year.
So if you like this video and you want to join us on our journey, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Living La Vida Costa.
'Cause I found my way.
So we're going on a hike, and that's where we're going, FONTS Algar. We are about an hour and a half from our house, I guess north of Calp and Altea.
Yeah, in the mountains, kind of northwest.
Yeah.
So I downloaded an app, folks. For those of you, I've used it before. I used it in Canada. I use it to go, sometimes when I go for runs with Levi in the bush in Canada and all that. It's called All Trails. I'm sure some of you are familiar with it. You can get a free version or you can
Okay.
pay. I just use the free version. And it's a great app if you want to do stuff like this.
Oh yeah.
It works anywhere in the world. That's what the app looks like. I don't know if you can see it. Tracks are, I'm just going to move to the side. Truck wants to go by and there's no room. It's a great app. It'll track what we do. It also gives us all the different trails, their distance. But it's a great little app. As you can see, the river right now is dry. But that's, obviously that's...
Oh, look at those mountains up there. Wow, oh, the peaks.
It's post-summer.
Beautiful.
This is Fontes, Finca de Fossal. I get onto the first trail, which said it was over there.
Wrong way.
Sorry, guys.
So we ended up walking the wrong way.
Well,
Mr.
not
Search
really.
Master Extraordinaire got us.
Yeah, we went the
lost.
right way, but it was a big gate that was closed. As you can see, this is going to be crazy in the spring.
Oh yeah, we'll have to come back for sure.
Yeah, when the water is flowing. I mean, they got little hotels, tons of restaurants. This must be insane. Okay, more or less. We may go a little bit more hardcore.
You hardcore never.
I want some. Are we?
Hardcore parkour? You want to tell them that story? So last February we came to Spain, and of course my husband, who will be 55 in January.
Yeah.
You never know it.
Yeah, you would.
He thinks he's still 25 years old.
In my mind.
So he was running near our house, those cliffs, the red cliffs that you guys see, and he took a wipeout.
Wipeout.
Wipeout!
Was it a wipeout or more of a tuck, roll, and jump?
Yeah, and his ego was bruised, as well as his ribs were bruised and cracked. Oh, gorgeous, look at this view.
Hola, buenos, ¿hay que pagar?
No hay que pagar porque no hay agua.
No hay agua. Pues ya venimos otra vez en la primavera.
Muy bien, cuando llueva.
Digo,
Gracias.
hasta luego.
Don't have to pay an entrance fee because there's no water.
So we're here right now. We are definitely going off trail. Yeah. Let's do it. We're gonna get lost.
Let's do it.
We'll have to call the search team.
Yeah. Chris, be on standby
Yeah.
to come rescue us.
Yeah.
Get in the chopper.
He's gonna rescue you. He'll leave me here.
Yeah.
I guess this would be some of the falls here.
Yeah, right here.
So this is where the water would go by?
Yeah.
It's a treat. This used to be a hydraulic dam. We get a viper.
Oh, okay, just about.
We're good?
Yeah.
I don't think they're poisonous. We're going the right way. yourself.
Sorry, on my knees, but you can't go that fast. Oh wow, that's nice.
Little fin de camino, que no. So this is the end of the trail.
You don't know? Okay, yeah.
This, come on.
Mama's good.
We need to find some other trails.
Yes. We've only walked 1.4K,
No.
which is nothing.
It's not happening.
No.
So we're gonna see. All Trails says there's a trail that leads off to
So
the
maybe
left.
just tell them, so this is normally filled with water.
Yeah, this is all filled with water usually. Obviously post summer, then you get, this will be packed. And I can only imagine how many people come down here.
Oh yeah.
The silver lining in the cloud here is that we get to do this without 5,000 people.
True. Across the bridge.
Sure. Gotta check my All Trails for a second.
Yeah, that would be nice to go
Yeah,
there.
that's what we want.
We want to go off-road.
Well, it is unlocked.
No, hun. We'll get evicted from the park, banned. We'll never be able to come back to show them the waterfalls.
It is very nice.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I can only imagine what this looked like before they made it commercial. It's probably a good hike.
Yeah. I would strongly recommend if
So
you want
that's
to
what
do
it
this.
looks like with. Oh, there's little caves and
nice.
everything. So the water goes into the under.
Like I was saying, so if you come to do this hike, do not wear flip-flops at all. No
although
flip-flops.
Running
Running shoes or trail
I did see that
shoes.
young girl wearing flip-flops and I'm going,
You did? Oh, I didn't see that. I didn't
I'm
notice
like,
it.
holy jeez.
Eesh, yeah, no.
This is how they used to transport water. I can only imagine how fresh and clean this water would be. Here we are, hiking through semi-mountains.
I love
There's
it.
a little dam.
Nice.
These are how they control the access to the little irrigation systems they have.
I hear water.
Yeah. Oh, it is a nice view. All right, so we came at, we've done what, 1.6K. I mean, I always sweat, so that doesn't matter. I can't say that was hard.
No, it wasn't hard at all.
Not hard at all. So we're on our way back to the car. That hike was somewhat anticlimactic.
Yeah, to say the least.
Yeah. So I mean,
We were geared up for like this big hike, this big trail, and
like maybe
yeah.
that was a huge trail
Yeah.
for them. I was like, I'm all
But
geared
we should have
up.
known. We saw like a lot of elderly people like walking up and actually walking down, and they didn't seem all too phased. So yeah, we should have known.
No.
But I mean, yeah, if you're into hikes, I mean, maybe come in the summer, in springtime when you can actually enjoy the waterfalls. But right now, everything's dried up.
Potential is there. That being said, if you're looking for a good hike, this is not it.
No.
At least not the main trail.
No. Scenic wise, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. But like I said, do not wear flip flops, wear running shoes or trail shoes.
Yeah.
And if you have mobility issues, do not come here.
No.
No. Rocks
I
are
mean-
slippery when they're wet, so But yeah, all in all, I mean, it's been a good day, and I'm glad we came.
Yeah.
But yeah, no regrets, and I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one. Adios, amigos.
Bye.
Bye. This brings me back to my childhood. Eastfront Public School, when they brought us to Dinosaur Land. Dinosaur Village, whatever it's called.
If you enjoyed this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we'd love it if you did.